Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
Yeah!
I'm going to show you.
Today's project, I'm going to turn a pair of summer boots into winter boots. And it's for the little lady. She wanted me to paint these a lighter color. Almost a white. It's kind of a vanilla color. So let's get started. Okay, you can see there's buckles on here, straps, and I'm going to need to take these off so that I can mask the buckles and not spray paint on the buckles. So I did take a picture of them so I could see how these go back on when I get done. Because without that picture, why, I'm not so sure I could remember how to put the belt buckles back on. So there's one there. And this one won't come off all the way because it's stitched on, but I still need to undo it so I can get at all the cracks and crevices and corners and all that. Okay, so now I've gone ahead and masked off the bottoms of the boots. I've left the outside edges exposed so that they will get painted. The buckles have been masked off right here, so we'll go ahead and start trying to paint. Gotta shake it up good. Well, I got both of these belts painted. Actually, just a couple of light coats. And that's the hardest part, is to do light coats and then wait for it to dry and then do another light coat. So I've got a couple of light coats here on the belts, and I'll wait for them to dry. And I'm going to go ahead and get started on the boot. Okay, now I've got the boot up on here, and I'm going to start working on it while the straps are drying so I can give them another light coat. Well, now I'm getting started on the boot. So it doesn't run, and then you got to let that dry and give it another light coat. Could take 3 or 4 coats before I get done. So this is the time-consuming part. Actually, masking it off wasn't very quick either to get that all masked off on the bottom. Now I've got the final coat, has dried all night, and the boots are looking great. Started to take the masking off the buckles here. Once I get all the masking off the bottoms and the buckles, I'll put the belts on and we'll be good to go. Okay, there we go. Finally got the straps on and all buckled up. And now we have winter colored boots. And this ought to make Mama Pappy happy. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.